Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BFOUR, the BFOUR Wireless Meat Thermometer. Oh yeah, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Both are possible because we have two options to use it. It is 100% waterproof. This grill thermometer comes with two probes. So we have a dual temperature monitoring for our grill, for our oven, for roasting. It's the BF80. Wow. Precision dual temperature monitoring are possible because this wireless meat thermometer has two probes with 6 high precision sensors. We have a black and a white monitoring. Wow. Dual probe. Really cool. This thermometer measures both the internal temperature of the meat and the ambient temperature of the oven or area around it, up to 300 degrees Celsius. To achieve a perfect cooking without puzzles, the app control is really nice because we have presets in it, so you can then get an information about the temperature warning and something else, and you can get it into position, the probe into the meat, for example, both of it, and then get it in the oven, get it in the barbecue grill, get it where you need it. And of course, it's important to get the probes completely inside the meat. And then, oh yeah, you can measure it. Of course, on the device itself, on the appliance. But also can use a nav control with that. Because it supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That means you connect it via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with a full control. Because the thermometer can be connected via Bluetooth about 150 meter or a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Unlimited range, of course. The remote monitor and the control of the cooking with the BFOUR Plus app is perfect for relaxing while grilling and cooking. And a large display and the easy operation comes to us with this meat thermometer, because it's equipped with an intuitive touch button and a large backlit LCD display that allows us to quickly set the target temperature and alarms directly on the device. Everything is simple, even without relying on a smartphone, which makes the cooking process more concentrated and efficient too. And about the waterproof level. 100%. And a long-lasting battery. Because this meat thermometer is IP67 waterproof, the host has a built-in 2600 mAh high-performance battery and a lifespan of about 24 hours and a probe duration of more than 40 hours to meet the requirements in the long cooking times. Slow food, baby. It supports Type-C fast charging that reduces the waiting time and allows the thermometer to return to the operation state faster. Oh yeah, cook 24/7 with that device. This is possible for multifunctional and practical cooking experience because this grill thermometer is very suitable for grills, ovens, and in all areas in the kitchen. It has a magnetic shell for easy storage. It supports predefined cooking programs such as meat, fish, poultry, etc. So, let's start. Cook like a pro. Wow, we set the temperature and then we can start it with cooking. Smart cooking with the BFOUR Plus app is good because we have real-time graphics, history tracking, present programs, custom warnings that's built for the real world. Waterproof, heat-resistant, LCD display, integrated magnets, awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Till soon.